Namaste, I JVN Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's class, we will going to discuss from the subject Biosafety and IPR. So, from this subject, we will discuss on the topic Facility, Organization and Personnel. Okay. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the good laboratory process practices. Okay, so what are the good laboratory practices? We have discussed how we can maintain a good laboratory practices. So in this class we will see how facility, organization and personnels are related to a good laboratory practices. Okay, so good laboratory practice is a FDA regulation. So good laboratory practice is defined as in OECD as principle as a quality system concerned with the organizational process and the condition under which non-clinical health and environmental safety studies are planned, performed and monitored, recorded and achieved and reported. Okay, so many things have been included with the good laboratory practices under OECD. Okay, so when we see the good laboratory practice is a formal regulation that was created by FDA in 1978. Although it was originated in US and worldwide, but it was regulated in 1978. In 1981, the organization named OECD produced good laboratory practices principles that an international standard. Okay, so okay. So the main objective here is to ensure that the data submitted are true reflection of the results that are obtained during the study, and to make sure that the data is traceable. Okay, so main principle behind is to promote the development of the quality test data, obtain reliable reproducible data, and shorten the registered time duration. So the mission is test achieving the record data, apparatus, material and reagent facility, quality assurance, program of the study and authentication of the data. So scope here of good laboratory practice is non-clinical safety testing of the test item, pharmaceutical produce, pesticide products, cosmetic products, veterinary products and food additives, etc. So when it comes to the personal, it is like education, institute training, general training, specific training, personal sanitation and health precautions are to be taken, quality insurance programs that are conducted by GLPs, okay, to monitor the quality insurance of the equipments, personal mention methods, practices records, and documentation verification. Responsibility, when we see that it's personal maintenance of the copy of the master schedule sheets, copy SOPs, study based inspection, facility based inspection, process based inspection. Facilities are general facilities, testing system facility, waste disposal facility. Okay, and general facility we can see the test system facility, suitable size, construction, location of the laboratory, and minimum floor area for the workplace, bench place, and the proper ventilation area, waste disposal, and other facilities. Proper equipment is there or not, appropriate design of the equipment is there, logbook of the equipment should be there, maintenance of the logbook, equipment used in the generation or measurement of the data shall be adequately tested, calibrated, and standardized. Test system, physical, chemical test system, biological test systems are used. record of the source from which this test is are being arrival conditions. Okay. Test and reference items has to be written down. The handling, sampling, storage, batch number, purity, composition, concentration. So standard operating procedure has to maintain and derived SOP related has to be documented. So proper protocol of the laboratory study, identification, title of the statement, name, purpose, sponsor, name and study of the director and other personals, proposed data, justification of the selected test item, description of the test item, design, experimental design, etc. has to be there, reporting of the study, and then proper retention, record and qualification, testing, training, validation of the documentation. So all has to be taken care. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital version session. If you have any queries or doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Namaste.